Hello everybody, today we're going to be making rice with sha'iriyya, which is known as vermicelli in English, because you guys asked for it. We usually don't make this in the house, but my mom gave it a shot or shows you how she used to make it, and it turned out super good. So main thing about this dish is you're going to need to add equal parts water to equal parts solids. And you'll see in a second that right now she's just washing her rice. It's going to be 2 cups of American rice and 2 cups of Egyptian rice. That's the blend for a very fluffy rice. And in the pot, you're going to put olive oil and ghee, as well as 1 cup of the vermicelli, little stringworm pasta. So yeah, just put that in there and mix it thoroughly. Let it cook a little bit before you add in your washed rice. And also let us know in the comments if you guys want to see any specific recipes from our countries of focus. We have listed in the description before and on our homepage. But yeah, if there's any Levant area or Middle Eastern dishes or any not Middle Eastern dishes you guys want to see us try, or maybe we already know how to make it and you want to learn it, then leave a comment down below on what your favorite dish is, and we'd be so down to try. So then after you mix in the vermicelli and your rice blend, you're going to add salt, and then you're going to add 5 cups, so this is very important, 5 cups of boiling hot water, because you have 5 cups of solid, the 4 cups of rice, and then the cup of vermicelli. So yeah, just go ahead and add those 5 cups. And by the way, if you were to make more rice or double this recipe, you have to double the water. That's just basically the gist of that. But yeah, once that starts cooking, you're gonna wanna cover it and put it on the lowest heat possible for your gas, or you can use one of these pot extensions to make it go on low heat. But yeah, let that sit for a long time until it is able to scoop off the surface like this very nicely. This is such, like, I don't know, this was so satisfying when my mom did this. It looks like when it's like the like fluffy slime, or like the ice cream in the store sometimes when it's super fluffy like that. But yeah, anyways, we hope you guys enjoy this rice with sha'iriyya. Happy vermicelliing! Bye!